In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play MP4 files in Google Drive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First things first, let's get started by accessing Google Drive. Open your favorite web browser and type in drive.google.com. This should take you right to the Google Drive homepage. Now, before we can dive into watching our video, you'll need to sign in with the Google account that has the MP4 video you want to check out. Go ahead and enter your credentials, and before you know it, you'll be inside your Google Drive. Now let's locate that MP4 file you're eager to watch. You can browse through your folders just like you would on your computer, which is straightforward enough. If you have a lot of files, searching can feel a bit overwhelming. No worries, you can use the handy search bar at the top of the page. Just type in the name of your video file, and it should pop right up. Once you've identified your MP4 file from the list, it's time to open it. Just double-click on the file, and you'll see a preview window open within your browser. This is one of the coolest features of Google Drive. You don't need to download the video or use any external software to watch it. As you look at the preview, you'll notice it comes equipped with all the standard video playback controls: play, pause, volume, and more. So if you're eager to start watching, just click the play button and you're all set. Now, you may run into a few hiccups along the way. If for some reason your video isn't playing, make sure your internet connection is stable, as streaming requires a good connection. Also, double-check that the file is indeed an MP4. While Google Drive does support many formats, MP4s are among the most compatible. If you've tried everything and the video is still not playing, a good troubleshooting tip is to try refreshing the page. Sometimes a simple refresh can solve playback issues. Just reload the tab and try double-clicking on the video again. Alternatively, you can try using an incognito window or another browser to see if the problem persists there. This can help eliminate whether the issue is with your current browser settings or extensions that may be causing conflicts. So to recap, remember to access Google Drive via drive.google.com, sign in, locate your MP4 file, double-click to open it, and use the playback controls to enjoy your video. If you follow these steps carefully, you should be able to breeze through your video with ease. And that wraps up our guide on how to play MP4 files in Google Drive. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did,